much again for joining me. Today I'm going to show you beautiful demonstration of dark night sky with beautiful fireworks on top. And now I'm going to add black, dark red, and just a lighter red on my palette, and start a little bit mix the black with the red color to have a little bit reddish brown or some darker red color. And then I'm going to use the pure black and red with this color. So a little more maybe we need. Black is so strong and powerful, so when they mix together give us a nice and strong color. So I'm going to take flat brush, this one, and start with just a black color on top of my canvas paper. I'm going to use canvas paper for this painting, and it's okay to use it anytime you like, but just we need to know that we need more paint to add on top of the paper to cover everything, because it's absorbed easily and it's not easy to get rid of the white of this canvas. So we need heavy paint to add and cover all these white of the canvas. It's lovely sky, dark on top with black color. Then we move down, cover whole this canvas with this blacky color, because the rest of the details of Firefox will come on top of this dark color. So just pure black, please cover it. Again, I back to the top, go on back, because I don't want to leave even the grayish color be visible. I just want the black dark color to cover everywhere. Come down. Now I can go with this color. So bring some on top, make some red color be visible under this in between. Even the pure red color we can bring in between on top. Leave it like that. Like a nice C-curve shape, we have red color, reddish black, and even the black. And even I'm going to use this lighter red on the bottom part. So really heavy texture with more paint. Cover everywhere please by these heavy colors. Now it's time to let them completely get dry. It takes really time, I know, but we need to wait everything get completely dry to bring the beautiful fireworks on top of it. Okay, now I think the background is okay. It's dry, not all, everywhere, but it's fine. We can start adding the fireworks on top. And we have one, the big one here, two smaller, not small, a little bit smaller than that on both sides. So I'm going to add white, yellow, blue, and a little bit red, and start with the pure white color. So adding some like this shape, like the flower, spread everywhere. Just randomly add like that because the fireworks is like this. Even you can add in between some yellow filling. Just randomly I'm covering the yellow in between the white. But at the end the white should be more brighter, more heavy. I'm going to add with pointy brush. Some of them we can more attention to those, make it longer, shape it more accurate a little bit. And even we can move on by just a bit blue. When I add the colors, I'm not adding everywhere, just randomly try to add some of them somewhere and then clean the brush. Then I'm going to add just a pure white color, make some heavy paint exactly on the center, more white color, I just to make more shine here, heavy texture on the center, and then we can focus to add more line like that with the white. Just randomly, I'm not go with straight line. We can go with a broken line as well. And move this line down. Like this. And then around it, small line visible. Small, like a dot like that. Or even more narrow. Spot, more spot. Just randomly I cover. And even I can go with the brush which is wet, adding more water to that, and now use this movement here. with the tip of brush to spread more details on top. Just the pure black, I'm going to add a little bit here. Okay, and then we can repeat this technique for everywhere. Even we can add some more reddish line here around in between to add. The background can affect on it. And even the blue color even we can add. So I'm going to add another one here. Same technique with the white color first of all. Randomly like this. Just a small spot around with the white and yellow and the blue to make this fireworks more interesting. Even just like a spot like that, we can add around, spread everywhere, or like a tiny line like this. And even the blue color we can add more. Sometimes yellow is nice to bring. And cover whole the part. And then the third one, which is here, or maybe before that, I'm going to add more white color on the center with more heavy paint like that, and then we move on here. In some cases it can mix with the reddish color and give us a nice blending and pinky color, or even we can add just the pink around. like that. Bring some more details on the bottom. Even watery brush is nice to make some more details and more narrow line. Yellow color. I just add a lots of different colors like a yellow, pink, white and blue to make it more interesting and more like details on top. And these are all a little bit thick, so if we need to spread like those dots, we will spread like that, we can do that. Or even the tiny one, we can add some tiny one like the white here on the center, and then with some small line spread everywhere and then cover around a little more with this. Or we can have one more here, small. Okay, so I think it's nice to keep it like that. A little bit details I would like to add on top. I'm going to add a drop of water into this paint. Diluted my brush into watery paint. That's easier to do like this. Now I'm going to spread. Here a lot. But be careful because it can make dirty everywhere. And make your hand dirty too. So hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much again for joining me.